Hey riders, hope all of you are doing great. A lot of you who come to our store ask us about seat modification, and here is our take on seat and its modification. Cycle manufacturers do really rigorous testing on each part of the motorcycle, and seat is one of the critical aspects. You can be on the saddle for a long duration. The testing or the design is done keeping in mind the different kind of people who are going to ride, the body structure of those people, the riding style, the ergonomics, etc. And it is important for all of us to really get used to it. So this is what we recommend. As soon as you get a motorcycle, don't fiddle with anything. Ride your motorcycle for a good 5,000 6,000 kilometers to get a feel of every aspect of your motorcycle, especially the seat, and that's when you will understand what modification you really want to do. That's one. So in most of the cases, what I have seen is the stock seat becomes comfortable and one gets used to it, and to be honest with you, the stock seats are brilliant. And I have I ride a KTM 390, and initially I felt it was very hard, but over the period of time I felt it was absolutely brilliant. So ride your motorcycle as much as you can when you bring it home before you do any modification. What this will do is that this will save you money, and it will also ensure that you are not fiddling with things which are already tested. It's our take. More such tips on modification coming soon, but do put in your comment on what do you think about seat modification. Signing off. Thank you.